everyone. So in today's video, we are going to learn about LabView. So first of all, to learn the LabView, you should have this LabView program in your computer. So install it in your system, and then once you are ready with the system, then the first step is, so this is basically program for beginners. So we will start from the basic concepts. So once you will open this LabView, this is the interface you will see. Now, first thing is we have always two panels on this LabView interface. So first of all, we have to choose a new one. Either we can go on this blank VI or we can go to file, and then from here we can select the new VI. So now once you're open, then you will see these two panels. So one is block diagram and second is front panel. Now you can do multiple things on this program. So the addition, subtraction, so these are basic things. But you should know all these basic things, and then you will excel in this program and you can make as much like all the all your programs in this LabView. So to start this system, what we have to do? So today I'll start with the addition. So how we do addition? So we will create all our control on this front panel, and automatically those things will appear on this block diagram. So first I'll go to front panel, and then if I'll click right, so we have to take two controls from where we can add our input. So when I'll go to this numeric, then I have to choose this numeric control, and then it will be here. So this is our input, and automatically if you see on this block diagram we have this input. Now I can select one more numeric control from the same place, and now this is numeric 2. We can change our name from this place. So just X, and I can change this numeric 2. This is Y. Now we know that these are our controls, means we will give our input to these terminals. Now we want to add these numbers, and that output will appear on numeric indicator. So we can add this numeric indicator here, and now this will be Z, or we can say that this is our output. Now these are three to control one indicator. Now if you see on the block diagram, whatever you want, if you want addition, then again right click, and if you go to numeric palette, then here you will see all the symbols: addition, subtraction, multiply, divide. Whatever you want, you can choose that one particular function. So if I want to add these two numbers, so I just have to click on this add, and then we can put it here. Now, these are two inputs, one is output. So we have to connect these terminals. So if you see, these are two terminals. So I can connect this one to this one. So this is our Y output, and then here. So these two inputs are now connected to this function addition, and now we have to connect these two outputs. So now this is ready. And now we can check that whether we connected all the terminals at right position or not. So if I go to front panel, from here we can check that whether this program is okay or not. So this is the run sign. So once you are ready with your program, you can check that whether it is good or not. So I want to add 4 and just consider 9. Now, what will be addition? So this is 13. So this is how we can add any numbers. Now this is the basic function addition. Similarly, you can do multiplication, subtraction, and anything. So I removed that one particular addition. Now we want to change this addition to any other function. So again, I can just right click, and from numeric palette, just consider I want to do multiplication. So I can put this multiplication. And in the same way, I can give these inputs to this multiplication function. Now again I want to check this whether it is working properly or not. Now last time we did addition. Now I want to do multiplication. So again we have to click on this run sign. And now this is 36. So that means this program is working properly. So these are the basic functions which we can do with this lab view. Now we can do the compound arithmetics. Like I want to add more functions. Like it is just two inputs, but I want to add more inputs. Then how we can do that? Either we can add one more input here and then we can add one more multiplication and addition or multiplication, and then we can connect that to our output and it will give us the output. Or other way, we can just replace this with compound arithmetic. And in one function, we can give as much as input we want to give, and that will give us output. So this is how we can learn this lab view stepwise. And this is our series of lab view. So in each video, we will just learn one function so that it will not be hectic. And that's all for today. Thank you.